Hi, sir. Good afternoon. So just ఒక 5 minutes, sir. Start చేద్దాం. So we are waiting for others only. Hi, good afternoon to all of you. Hi, good afternoon. So please check it out, sir. Voice clear గా ఉందో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. Then I will start the discussion, sir. Yes, ma'am. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎలా రాస్తున్నారు ఎగ్జామ్స్? సో ఇప్పటికి 2 ఎగ్జామ్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ మ్యామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ది కన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఓకే. సో ఓకే సార్, డిస్కషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, హాయ్ ప్రమోద్. సైతం కుమ్మేస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటా ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఓకే సార్, డిటి ప్రిపరేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి సార్ ఈ ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఎవరు యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? అదర్స్ అందరూ యూస్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎవరైతే బీసీసీఐ అంటే ఏంటి సార్, నా దగ్గర రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీ యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఈఓ యూస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు, ఎగ్జామ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ బ్యాచ్ పర్చేస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ సార్, ఓకే, I will talk in English only, no issue, ma. So this is an useful for the who are taken the regular classes from me, as well as who are taken the exam oriented batch classes from me, as well as who are following our BCCA marathon, sir. So this preparation strategy might be helpful for all of you. Yes, sir. Nothing but you can use this preparation strategy, sir. So what is the preparation strategy? The same video is useful for the, yes sir, either old syllabus as well as new syllabus students, sir. The same strategy, because in this DT paper there is no change in syllabus with respect to old syllabus as well as new syllabus, sir. So in old syllabus also we have to follow the same strategy. In new syllabus also we have to follow the same strategy, because content is same in DT, sir. So first, I'm classifying the total syllabus into 4 sets, sir. I'm classifying the total syllabus into 4 sets, sir. So in set 1, so please give the preference to the set 1 only. In new syllabus as well as in CMA final examination, they're concentrating more and more on the assessment part as well as international taxation part. So first, I'm giving the preference towards the assessment part. So can you tell me, in set 1, I'm classifying the what are the syllabus, what are the chapters covered, ma? First, return of income. Sir, in this return of income, so please refer updated return. Please refer updated return concept also. So you can note it down in your notes also. Updated return concept is an amendment for the Finance Act 2022 examination. That is an important concept, ma. So next, income tax authorities. This is a small chapter, but yes sir, just I will write it down, no issue. Here types of return, here types of return as well as updated return. All the concepts are important, but types of returns and updated return please refer, ma. No issue. I'm not classifying as per that institute weightage because I'm considering the last 3 or 4 examination question paper. So that's why I'm following. So I'm saying this order you can follow. Please don't ignore any chapter. So I'm not giving the ABC analysis, sir. I'm just creating the sets only. Don't ignore any chapter also. Okay. In the income tax authority section 124, sir, that is also very, very important. Section 124, that is an jurisdiction of assessing officer, ma. That is also important. But all the sections you can refer, but please refer section 124, that is an jurisdiction of assessing officer. That is an important one. Next, third, assessment procedures. You know what are the contents in assessment procedures also. Please refer that assessment procedures in and out, sir. Next, search and seizure. Every attempt they are given the 5 marks question, sir. From the search and seizure, every attempt they are given the 5 mark question, sir. Next, appeals and revision, rectification. Sir, you know, appeals part, revision part, rectification part, always they are giving these questions linking with the assessment procedures, sir. That is also important chapter. Next, advanced tax and interest. Please refer 234A, 234B, 234C. So, advanced tax related interest 234A, 234B, 234C. And in this attempt, I am guessing one question related to interest on refund under section 244A. Interest on refund under section what, ma? 244A. That is also you need to consider. Next, a miscellaneous chapter, but just refer what is that garnish order. Yes, sir. What are the modes for the recovery of tax? So please refer that only. What is that, ma? Tax collection, recovery, and refund. Tax collection, recovery, and refund. So next, I'm combining the one chapter linking with the assessment procedures parts. Why I'm linking? There is a separate reason, ma. In this business restructuring and reconstruction chapter, please don't ignore the depreciation concept and apportionment of depreciation. I think you know this concept from your intermediate level only, but important. Depreciation and apportionment of depreciation. Next, you know what is that, ma? Slum sale. Yes, sir. What is that, ma? Slum sale. Next concept, what is that? Slum sale. Next, can you tell me what is that, ma? Yes, sir. Sole proprietorship concern or partnership firm is converted into company. Next one, ma. Yes, sir. Can you tell me what, ma? Private or unlisted public company converted into LLP. So these are the reorganizations are very, very important, ma. So, and one more thing, amalgamation and demerger. So don't ignore this chapter. In every attempt, they are asking nearly 10 to 14 mark questions, sir. So this is a simple chapter. This is a very, very easy chapter. And first, as a depreciation as well as what, ma? Apportionment of depreciation, slum sale, your intermediate level topics only. But if any question came from this depreciation and slum sale, you are thinking this is a CMA inter syllabus. No, this is a CMA final syllabus only. In your business restructuring and reconstruction, we have this concept. Don't ignore this chapter. Every attempt they are given the question from slum sale. If you are observing last attempt also, before last attempt also, every attempt they are given nearly 10 to 15 marks from this chapter only. So don't ignore this chapter. Next one, assessment of various entities, sir. I think you know various entities means we need to as a charitable trust, assessment of company, political party, electoral trust. All these things we have in this ma. Mainly one direct question, MAT. That is what, ma? Assessment of company part. Very, very important. Don't ignore this concept, sir. So MAT. For your examination, they are given the basic adjustments only. For your examination, they are given the basic adjustment only. One point I want to convey. If they are asking the total tax liability of a company, you have to calculate PCBP as well as MAT. Whichever is higher only, you need to calculate as a tax liability. If they are asking that only MAT, please concentrate on that MAT only. Book profit into what is that, ma? MAT rate. If they are asking only PCBP, please calculate PCBP only. Don't confuse. In that examination, if they are given, please ignore the section 115JB. That means they are not asking MATMA, they are asking only PCBP. So please read question properly before solving the this problem. Next, tax planning, sir. This is a simple chapter in your syllabus. Tax planning is nothing but 4 or 5 pages only. Every attempt they are trying to give that 4 mark question. If the tax planning is not there in your examination, another chapter is important, GAR. Important means they are not giving the 16 marks or 18 marks, just they are giving the 4 mark question from that chapter. So that is also important only, GAR chapter. Next, liabilities in special cases. Can you tell me what are the chapters involving in these liabilities in special cases, sir? So if you are observing that, very, very important, equalization levy. We have to read that equalization levy and tonnage taxation. So next one, mark cash restrictions. So please refer these three at least once, sir. So 269 SS, 269 ST, all the things, cash restrictions related provisions also, please read at least once. And another chapter that is in block money. So normally in block money we have 5 theory questions and 1 practical question is there. Past examination also, that is only the repeated question. So please refer block money also. Dispute resolution committee. Sir, mark my words, dispute resolution committee for our next examination. This is also an important 4 mark question, sir. Why? Because I think you know one point. So settlement commission isn't removed. At that time, Income Tax Act 1961 is constituted the dispute resolution committee. That means central government is constituted the dispute resolution committee. I think 1 page only, 1 concept. If specified person and specified order, with respect to that, he can go with the dispute resolution committee. So what is the constitution of the committee? What do you mean by the specified order? What do you mean by the specified person? That only the content in the dispute resolution committee. I think this is important because settlement commission is abolished. On that time only they are introduced the dispute resolution committee. Sir, if you haven't time, that means in your preparation, last 1 hour or 2 hours, refer the penalties chapter and prosecution. In the penalties also, please refer the questions relating to under-reporting, misreporting. So then remaining penalties you can watch after also, but please refer under reporting as well as misreporting questions. Under reporting, misreporting, practical question. The remaining all the practical related, what is the penalties, that all the things also you can refer at least once before going to the examination. Don't waste your time by way of starting the penalties and prosecution itself, starting chapter. So if you haven't enough time in the last, please do that all the penalties reference just once more. But under reporting and misreporting, you have to observe thoroughly. Next, coming to the international taxation part. Sir, this is a serious discussion, sir. Transfer pricing chapter, every attempt they are trying to give that 15 marks, sir. DTAA, they are giving the try to 6 marks, sir. Non-resident at least 5 marks. Advanced ruling. Around these chapters they are trying to give the 10 marks. Total international taxation, at least they are trying to give the 25, around 25. So don't ignore these all the chapters, sir. First prepare the DTAA. So I think we have a similar model of problems. So please do that all the problems in DTAA also. And one important mark, that is an permanent establishment related definition, please refer. So in this DTAA chapter, we have permanent establishment definition. Please refer that permanent establishment definition. Non-resident, I think you know what are the concepts we have to learn from the non-resident chapter. Already one revision video also is there in our YouTube channel. Please refer the non-resident. Advanced ruling and transfer pricing also important. Always in the transfer pricing, they are trying to give the 3 types of questions only, sir. I think you know what are the 3 types of questions. First one, associated enterprises. And what do you mean by the deemed associated enterprises? First type of question, fixed question in examination. One fixed question in examination, sir. Sir, maybe if they are not giving this question, then they are going for the methods for computation of ALP. Methods for computation of arm's length price. Third one, other provisions. Can you tell me other provisions means what are that? Primary adjustment, secondary adjustment, repatriation related interest, interest deduction with respect to the associated enterprise. What do you mean by the specified domestic transaction? What are the records needs to be maintained? Advance pricing agreement. From these, another question is there, sir. Sir, ICDS, before examination, just while you are going to that examination, before just refer that ICDS, sir. Why I am giving this ICDS as a last? Simple reason. If you have enough knowledge on the accounting standards, somehow you can write, sir. But in one ICDS, we have a security script wise as well as total wise. That problems are there in our study material. Just refer that ICDS study material practical problems are always that ICDS question will be given in the examination last question, sir. If you are observing 4 marks, sir. That means you can give that question as a choice also. But for the old syllabus students, this facility may be there. New syllabus students, sometimes they are given, sometimes they are not given the ICDS also. At least last, if you have enough, that means if you have a knowledge on the accounting standard, automatically you can read that ICDS on your own last preference. So that means before the ICDS, last preference is given to the penalties as well as prosecution. So main thing in introduction, I missed the one thing, sir. What is that point? So while I am going to write the CMA final examination, do I need to read the CA inter-syllabus? Sorry, CMA inter-syllabus? Do I need to read the CMA inter-syllabus? Absolutely, my answer is no. Absolutely, my answer is no, sir. Because whatever the contents involved in our CMA final study material, either new or old also, please refer the chapters only. Sir, you can ask some questions, sir. What is it? Sir, in some examination, they are trying to give the questions from the CMA inter-syllabus. Okay, they are giving only for 10 marks, sir. For 10 marks, sir, if you are reading the basic concept, residential status, income from salary, income from house property, PCBP, capital gains, chapter 6A deduction, clubbing, set off, advance tax, TDS, TCS, for all these chapters, if you are referred, 1.5 days or half day before your examination will go on only. So that's why take the risk with respect to the CMA inter-syllabus. With the help of your CMA inter-knowledge also, you can put some MCQs and you can write questions. Or otherwise, we have a question paper for 132 marks. Out of that, you can give that one question as a choice outrightly. So that's why day before examination time is very, very important for us. Very, very important for us. That's why please refer only CMA final syllabus. But, for doing DTAA problems, we have to refer some chapter 6A reductions. So that's why please prepare these chapter 6A reductions at least once. Sir, don't read deeply. Just what is the section heading? Who are the eligible SSC? What is the amount of deduction? That's enough. These are the chapter 6A reductions list you have to prepare before going to the examination only for the purpose of doing that what DTAA problem. Then, sir, do I need to refer all the total chapter of an PCBP? No, because already here the depreciation concept is covered. Because please refer what are the total income adjustment. This is useful for the doing that math problem only. This is useful for doing what math problem only. So then last, case loss. One magic is there with respect to the case loss. One attempt they are given the case loss. Another attempt they are not given the case loss. They are playing with the students' emotions only. What you need to do with respect to the case loss, sir? Please, if you have a chance, give it as a choice. Otherwise, write anything because they are given the gift-related problem, gift-related case law, a depreciation-related case law. Whatever you know, please refer and please write that point. And one more thing, what are the case laws we have to refer? So nothing but study material backside. So I think nearly 50 or 60 case laws is there in new syllabus as well as old syllabus also. Please refer the study material backside case laws. So normally that is in voluminous only. That isn't if you are reading that entirely in this examination time, that may not be possible. So that's why please ignore that also. First one thing. So don't ignore any small chapter also in your preparation. That is only I am saying. I am not giving ABC analysis, sir. I am giving the set only. Sir, some students are directly, yes sir, directly they are giving the choice of some small chapters like God, block money, liabilities in special cases, like advance ruling, and collection and recovery, advance tax and interest. They are thinking this is a small chapter. We need to concentrate only on international taxation as well as assessment procedures. That may not be worked out, sir, because in every question, One 4 mark question easy, one 5 mark question easy, another 4 mark question difficult. They are creating the set in another way only. So that's why while you are going to the examination, please refer the all the chapters equally. All the chapters equally. Then only you can get what mark better marks. So this is only the preparation strategy. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask with me, ma. So it is in preparation time only. It may be wasteful for us if you are discussing more and more also. This is an enough, sir. If you have anything, please ask me, ma. Otherwise, you can continue with your preparation. In DT, please read the question properly. Sir, MCQs, no need to prepare separately, sir. By using your concept, you can write that MCQs also properly. But please be prepared. 2 or 3 MCQs they can test from CMA inter syllabus also. Don't read the CMA inter syllabus for 2 or 3 MCQs. So they are trying to give that all the questions from our syllabus only. But please thoroughly read that MCQ before pick any correct answer, ma. And the CMA final DT examination, if you are writing, simply read the question properly before writing the answer. So if you are while you are reading the question, if you don't know answer also, please refer that question 2 or 3 times. Definitely you can recollect your provisions, ma. Yes, this is a preparation strategy, ma. I think shall we close the session? So all the best for your examination. Don't think about the past examinations as well as future examination also. And please be concentrate on the what is the next examination, that may be DT or SCM for the old syllabus students, and new syllabus students that may be DT. Don't think about any other question papers that may be law or any other papers also. Please be concentrate on the next examination. Trend of examinations are very good only right now. Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. All the best for your examinations, ma.